Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this brand new 2024 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard in the beautiful Horizon Gray hull. This one has the optional water sports tower on it. This not only looks cool, but real practical for doing all your water sports on it. This is the newest SDX model in the lineup, and it's very unique with its layout. The specific boat has the optional 300 Verado V8. Has the sea deck throughout the cockpit. Look at all the room back here when you have the seat in the forward facing position. This seat is actually on a slider here, so depending if you're running or if you're at anchor, you can actually reverse this seat. And now you have, I call it a dance floor back here. Speakers are there, nice built-in cooler down here. You can put all your water skis and wakeboards in this storage compartment here. Freshwater wash down. And then when you're ready to run, simply pull the seat back. And undo the release pin here. And slide it back. Now you pick up all the room in the cockpit again, and you're ready to run. Lots of coverage with this bimini top. It's a huge water sports tower. Opposing seating. These are reversible backrests, so you don't have to convert anything when you want to set them up as lounges. Again, beautiful stitching from Sea Ray. This has the DTS controls for that 300 Verado. This has the big Simrad 12-inch digital display. And this is a very unique walkthrough here. It's not a center walkthrough like the other SDX models. You actually pick up, because of that, you actually pick up a nice little, I call it a cabin slash head, but can't quite stand up in there, but it's a nice area to get out of the sun, get out of the weather. And having the side walkthrough gives you that ability. Gunnels are really high. They hit you real high right in the waist, which is what you want for an ocean boat. And even the seating up here, because of that walkthrough, is a different layout. It can be opposing, which is really nice. Dedicated anchor locker, igloo cooler storage, cup holders everywhere. Doing a little view from the bow, looking back. It's a huge 25, absolutely huge. This one has the upgraded stereo system on it as well. See the subwoofer down here and amplifier. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Sea Ray dealer. This is a 2024 Sea Ray 250 SDX. It is available today. Give us a call, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.